guys, this is Coach TK with Kicking Asphalt with Soul, and I wanted to share with you a quick video of how you can get your workout in. When you're quick, you only need like 20 minutes. If your schedule is tight, this is a quick workout that you can do. So let's get to it. Now, as you can see here, I am doing some strength training. I had already warmed up on the treadmill. I did like 20 minutes of walking on a high incline. And as you can see, my camera was present. And for some reason, this lady thought she could just walk in front of my camera. So as you can see, I'm basically mean mugging her. Okay, because I was a little irritated that she did that. But anyway, I'm doing an arm raise, and the incline is up on the treadmill. The incline is up about like 13 to 15, and the speed was like right at roughly, because you're walking backwards, roughly from like 0.8 to like 1.1, depending on your level of intensity and your skill level. But as you can see, it was getting rather intense lifting the dumbbell. You can have any size from like 5 pounds to about 15 pounds or so, and you would do like 10 reps of each, and you would do this 3 times, 3 sets of like 10 to 12, depending on your method. Also, I decided to use a Bosu ball, and you can use the Bosu ball as long as your body is parallel to the ball. You can do the same routine on the ground. And as you can see here, I'm lifting the weights. Those are, I think, 10-pound weights. No, those were 8 pounds, 8 pounds. And I'm lifting them 10 to 12 times per rep. Back on the treadmill again, as you can see, I'm going through the same routine. I had to start over with my recording because when the lady walked in front of me, that kind of threw me off. So I wanted to restart and show you the video, but a little etiquette. When you see people recording, respect their space. And this lady had plenty of time to, get whatever she needed to. Like, she had plenty of space. But anyway, you can do arm curls, with this same routine. And let me tell you, you will feel this in your thighs because you are moving a completely different muscle when you're walking backwards. Okay? So the incline is up, and I'm lifting the weights and trying to stay stabilized on the treadmill, as you can see. But, you do this again, set 10 to 12 reps 3 times. And in the middle of each exercise, you could also run, on that high incline to kind of keep your heart rate up, and then go back again above your head. Okay. So as you can see, this whole routine took me about 22 minutes, and it didn't take long at all. But imagine doing this same routine at your local gym. Okay. So you can do arm raises, arm curls, and then there's another one where I did the overhead, lifting the dumbbell. And let me tell you, you will sweat profusely when you do this right. You will be sweating. This is Coach TK with Kicking Asphalt with Soul Running Company, and I wanted to just let you know that I will be bringing another video that deals with your lower part of your body, doing mountain climbers and planks for plus-size women. And just remember, guys, you can, you will, you must. Don't worry about not getting it right the first time, because let me tell you, you got this, okay? You got this. You got this. And keep this in mind, that as long as you're moving, burning calories, that's all that matters, okay? Just take this one day at a time. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share this out with your friends. Peace.